together with the guys, we learn how to run and create our own blog. We start by choosing a topic, registering channels, learning how to write scripts, and then we begin filming videos.
They told us how to shoot videos and what kinds of camera angles there are. During the 3rd and 4th lessons, we were already editing and filming videos. At school, we were assigned to make a book trailer for some book. I'm going to film, guys, and then edit this video. And these courses will help me because I already know how to do something, so it'll be easier for me to figure it out.